Look at this tiny red insect. Is it a beetle or a bug or a ladybird? In the next 5 minutes, you will learn one simple secret key to crack any insect question in your exam.
Welcome to my science diary. Previously, we have studied about what are insects, their classification, and their importance. Today, we will learn a superpower exam trick how to use a key to identify insects. Using a cute insect called
Call the seven spotted ladybird as our hero. First, what is a key? In science, a key is a series of very simple questions using yes or no question that slowly guides you to the correct name or group of an organisms. It works like an interview for the insect.
you answer each question, follow the arrow, and finally reach the correct box. Let's warm up with the insects. Insects belong to a big animal group called arthropods. Arthropods have jointed legs and a hard outer covering called an exoskeleton. But insects are special arthropods. They usually have three main body parts: head, thorax, and abdomen, and six legs. Now imagine you find a bright, red, round, little insect on a leaf. How do you know whether it is just an beetle or a ladybird? Instead of guessing, we use a key. Question number one in the key might be: does it have six legs? If yes, it is an insect. If no, it could be a spider or another arthropod. So our red friend has six legs. We move to the yes arrow. Question 2: does it have a brightly colored, rounded body with a hard cover over the wings? If yes, it is a beetle because beetles have hard wing covers called elytra. Our red insect does, so we follow the yes again. Question number 3: is it red with black spot? If yes, the key says ladybird. The ladybirds are actually beetles, and one very famous one is seven spotted ladybird. Scientific name is Coccinella septempunctata. Question number 4: does it have exactly seven black spots? These spots on each wing cover and one in the middle, making seven in total. If the answer is yes, congratulations, you have identified the species seven spotted ladybird. See how cool that was. We did not start with the name, we only answered simple questions about what we could see, number of legs, body shapes, color, and spots. That is exactly how scientists classify thousands of insect species. In school exams, questions often give you a small key and ask, use this key to identify the insect for which group does this animal belong to. If you know the method, you can easily score full marks. Here is a quick formula you can remember. Look, answer, follow, repeat. Look at the features, answer yes or no, follow the arrow, repeat till you reach a name or group. Let's practice together. Example 1: an animal has 8 legs and 2 body parts. The first question in the key says, does it have 6 legs? You tick no. You move to a box that says arachnid, which include spiders. Easy max. Example 2: you see an insect with wings covered by a hard shell. The key question says, are the wings covered by a hard case? You say yes. The arrow leads to beetle. Beetles are actually the largest insect order with more species than any other insect group. So whatever you see confusing insects, don't panic. Just remember your key is like Google Maps for science classification. Before we end, here's a quick challenge. On the screen, you will see three insects: a housefly, a butterfly, and a ladybird. Try to think what yes or no question would you ask to separate them into different order of insects. In this video, helped you understand keys and insects. Comment your answer to the challenge and share this video with at least one friend who is scared of biology. And don't forget to subscribe my Science Diaries and press the bell icon so you never miss a video. See you in the next video. Keep observing, keep cautioning, and keep growing with my Science Diaries.